Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you around this Crook house that I just brought. So before we start, please subscribe, like and share. Okay, let's get started with today's video. So here we have a living room with a TV and a sofa, and here is like a mini table. You can put like rugs and some windows, and here we have a library thing. It's like a mini library, and here we have like a light to turn off and turn on the button. Here's a mini modern kitchen. I really like the walls, and here we have some counters and some fridge. Okay, walk through here, the living room, and we have an upstairs, so let's go upstairs. So here we have like a mini bedroom. Here we have all the pet stuffs. Here we have here we have a crib and a study area, and where you sleep, and a closet. So then you walk through here, you see the toilet, and we have a beautiful rug down. So we have some showers, some toilets, and some sink, and some counter and a closet. So you can jump here. And here we also have a secret hideout, which you can build a mini room or like a playing area, but it's kind of dangerous though, I don't know. So yeah, this is the Crook house that I just brought, and I hope you'll like it. Let's see the outside of the house. Okay, so this is the outside of this full Crook house, and then you can side here we have like an rock decoration or what, I don't know. And this is my favorite part, like a mini garden. I wish we can add it here. So this is the Crook house. I hope you all like it. Bye guys.
I'm not gonna make it alive.